Let's look at a short list of 5 essentials to keep in your woodworking and metalworking shop to keep those machines tuned and running like a champ. Number 1. Now, it's not flashy, but it's essential. So let's slide right into this list with some key lubricant items. Dry lubricant can make a stubborn table trunnion behave or simply save you from that horrific grinding sound that your fence makes as it slides in and out. And dry lubricant helps prevent dust and sticking on any surface. And as the name suggests, this is best for machines that are in a dry condition. Don't work underwater. Number 2. The next item, it may not be pretty, but it is practical, and that is sliding compound. Now, we found that silicone-free lubricants outperform the usual paste wax when it comes to sealing cast iron tables, and it really helps to reduce friction from moving parts. A compound like this helps keep light rust buildup from occurring in your shop if things get too humid. And it really is good for machines that maybe you don't use all that often. Plus, it helps repel moisture and dirt. Number 3, a beveled straight edge. When most people think of a straight edge, they think of something like a basic metal ruler. And while that can work for laying out things like joinery, it may not be as efficient as something like this. This is a beveled edge straight edge, and it is precision machined and accurate to 1/1000th of an inch. Plus, it features many of the very handy-dandy layout marks that you'll find on a traditional ruler. A straight edge is great for alignment on things like table inserts or just basic checks to ensure that surfaces, like tuning a joiner table, are coplanar to start with. Now, they come in all sizes from 12-inch to the larger 36-inch or even bigger for checking things like bandsaw wheel coplanarity. Now, number 4. Since we're on the topic of keeping things square, a simple Machinist square set is a must for your workbench or looking fancy in that shop apron. A set like this is inexpensive and can help everything from basic blade to table alignment to joinery layout and marking. This little kit comes in several sizes and should have most situations covered. Number 5. Now, here's one you might not have considered, and it can save you a massive headache when it comes time for some machine maintenance. And that is a snap ring set. Bearings are on nearly every woodworking and metalworking machine, and they can wear out over time. Snap rings, both internal and external, are designed to hold bearings in place, and like the bearings, the rings themselves come in all sizes. A snap ring set like this is a great investment because it keeps you from destroying your knuckles and the snap rings trying to remove or replace them during maintenance procedures. Those are 5 essentials we feel are must-haves for any shop, and we would love to hear your recommendations in the comments below. Thanks for liking, sharing, and subscribing to Grizzly's YouTube channel for more videos like this.